This is my bag. It's what I bring with me to school and contains everything I would need on a daily basis. Hi, I'm Jerry, and this is my everyday carry for a student. The bag is the Nomadic Travel Pack. It has a sleek and modern design, as well as ergonomic and nifty features that appeal to me. It's got a storage for both tech and books, which both are necessary for me to carry around. The outer layer is the accessories bay, which holds all the small items that are essential for my everyday use. The zipper opens all the way, which makes viewing and accessing everything inside easy, but doesn't fall over to prevent the items from falling out. Some mesh pockets at the back hold some of my computing essentials. I have a pair of AirPods Pro, a 30-watt USB-C charger, which is plenty for me, a mini docking station separated into two pieces and held together via magnets, and a mouse for easier navigation. The MX Master 3 is definitely not meant to be used on the go, but it is the only mouse that I have with Bluetooth at the moment, but the features more than make up for it. On the other side, I have an Apple Pencil as well as a mechanical pencil by Tombow to help me jot down some notes both digitally and physically. I also keep a calculator with me at all times because it has saved my life on more than a few occasions. I still kept some pockets empty, including this RFID safe one, just in case I want to add more items in the future. Above that is a small zipper, which I use to hold my phone and lanyard for easy access. Now the main pocket holds all my textbooks, binders, and a pencil case. There are some mesh pockets on the side that I keep empty to free up space for the books, but I can still use them to hold small items if I needed to. The layer can be folded down for a more effortless packing experience. This section is nothing special except that I can expand this layer of the backpack with a zipper that increases the internal volume by 1.5 times. This is why I initially bought this backpack, just in case I had more textbooks I needed to carry, or I wanted to travel in this bag. There are two cup holders on either side of the bag that right now are not visible, but can be folded out to hold my water bottle or a drink. This is nothing special as I just picked it up at Costco, but what is notable is that the cup holder can actually fold away with magnets to keep the backpack looking extra stealthy. The final section is where I keep my laptop and iPad, which folds all the way down again. I have the 13-inch M1 MacBook Pro for schoolwork and the 12.9-inch iPad Pro to take notes, draw on, and occasionally play some games during lunch breaks. I also keep some spare cash in a secret pocket behind the backpack for food. One feature that might not seem that important but is so handy is that the bag can stand up by itself, which is a huge saver moving from class to class. So here is my backpack everyday carry setup. After using it for a few weeks, I have been enjoying this experience very much. It feels very organized, and I know where to look for things when needed. The bag is still pretty expensive to save up for, but in my opinion, it is worth it for the quality. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you enjoyed the video to help me reach 1K. That would mean the world to me. And with that, I will see you in the next video.